Good morning, students. In the previous videos you are learned exercise 1.2 first problem to 8th problem. Now 9th problem, find the number of subsets and number of proper subsets of the following sets. First question, W is equal to red, blue, yellow. Second question, x is equal to set of all x square such that x belongs to natural number x square less than or equal to 100. Students, first you have to write the given question. W is equal to set of all red, blue, yellow. You have to find the number of elements in the set W. How many is there? 1, 2, 3. N of W is equal to 3. For this, N of W is called as a M. This is called as M. Okay. So that is the number of subsets is equal to N of P of X. Okay. This is the formula. Number of subsets is equal to N of P of X is equal to 2 power M. This is a formula. N of P of X is equal to 2 power M. N of P of X means the number of subsets. Okay, students, N of P of X is equal to 2 power M. This is a formula. M, what is M? For this is M. Okay, otherwise you have to write here. This is N of W is there, you know. So here you have to write this implies M is equal to 3. Okay, so that is 2 power M, that is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube means, you know, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 2 cube is equal to 8. The number of proper subsets formula 2 power M minus 1 or N of P of X minus 1. Okay, you have to remember this formula. It is easy for you. Number of subsets you have to keep remember 2 power M. Number of proper subset 2 power M minus 1. 2 power M already we found. What we found? 8. 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. So number of subsets is equal to 8. Number of proper subsets is equal to 7. Second question, x is equal to set of all x square such that x belongs to natural number x square less than or equal to 100. For x belongs to natural number normally we know it is starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. We need to find square numbers. Okay, what are the square numbers? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square, 11 square, 12 square, it is going on. The condition you have to refer with this condition, x square less than or equal to 100. You have to select the square number is less than or equal to 100. Okay, you have to select up to 10 square. Okay, students. So now you have to take and write 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. Okay, now you have to find number of elements in this set. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N of x is equal to 10. The number of subsets is equal to 2 power. Number of subsets, what's the formula? Yes, 2 power M. So that is equal to 2 power 10. For N of x is equal to 10. So this implies M is equal to 10. Okay. So that is 2 power M equal to 2 power 10. So 2 power 10, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 power 10, that is 2 power 10 is there, you know. It is 2 power 5 into 2 power 5. You no need to write 10 times. 2 power 5 into 2, that is 2 power 10. So 2 power 5 values, what is the 2 power 5 value? 32. 32 into 32. Already we found up to 8, you know. So that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 2, 32. So that is 32 into 32. 32 into 32 you make multiple. 32 into 32. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 4, 6 plus 6, 12, balance 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 1024. So that is 2 power 10 equal to 1024. The number of proper subsets, what's the formula, students? 2 power M minus 1. 2 power M, what we found? 1024 minus 1, 1023. So number of subsets equal to 1024. Number of proper subsets is equal to 1023. Students, now 10th question. If n of a is equal to 4, find n of p of a. If n of a equal to 0, find n of p of a. Third question. If n of p of a is equal to 256, find n of a. For this problem, first you have to write given. Given you have to take from the question. N of a is equal to 4. What is the meaning of n of a? That is m. M is equal to 4. N of p of a is equal to what? This is the question. We want to find n of p of a. What is the meaning of n of p of a? Number of subsets. Okay. So n of p of a is equal to 2 power m. It is given as a formula format. Remember what is this wording? The related wordings is number of subsets. Number of subsets n of p of a equal to 2 power is equal to 2 power m. That is equal to 2 power 4. M value is 4. 2 power 4 value 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Suppose you have dot, write at side. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Second question, n of a is equal to 0. So what is the meaning of n of a? That is m. M is equal to 0. We want to find number of subset n of p of a. N of p of a is equal to 2 power m. That is equal to 2 power 0. Anything power 0 is equal to 1. Do you remember? A power 0 is equal to 1. So anything power 0 is equal to 1. So this is the answer. Third question, n of p of a. For you have to refer with this previous two questions for given n of a. For this problem also n of a. But this third problem n of p of a is given. We want to find m. Okay, n of p of a is equal to 256. This 256 you have to write it as a power format. So you have to use this division method. Okay, prime factorization method. 2. Do you remember this, students? Yes? Okay. That is 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Balance 1. 8 2s are 16. Then again 2. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. Again 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Then again 2. That is 16. Then again 8. Again divide by 2 4. Again it is divide by 2 2. So how many it is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this n of p of a is called it as 2 power m. That is equal to 2 power 8. The bases are same. So this implies powers also equal. Okay. So this is a exponents rule. It is a power rule. In laws of exponents you are learned about it. Yes. The bases are equal. We have to take the powers also equal. So 2 2. So you have to take m is equal to 8. M, what is the meaning of m? N of a. N of a is equal to 8.